Third and last duel of the night. Yes. We're doing it on Omega. Back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. How come my Matt and thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the brains. Round 1. Dude. Well, I wonder if he's gonna play Dragoon. Wonder if he's gonna play Dragoon. He's gonna play Dragoon, and I'll get this. Definitely, I could learn no more if he's gonna do Dragoon. Zombie world. What's someone? Hammer deck. Oh, Black Awakening. Let's go. Uh-oh. It's got an Ash. Oh, I forgot to put the... Damn it. What is this? Oh, it's got the Ash. Damn, I forgot to put the copy and paste thing. Can't even copy and paste this one too. Fuck's sakes. Alex. Okay. Ash me. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Fucking son of a bitch. I knew it. I'll let him be at Red Eye's attack. I'm not even gonna activate anything because he'll negate it. So, of course, you gotta ghost out Dragoon there. Where'd the ELDLICH come from? It's gonna activate one of the fuck's sakes. Alright, that's cool. That's cool. I was like, well, how come we didn't summon? Because he can't. This one right here. You cannot normal summon for a summon. You could only set. So. What? He didn't attack. No. What? He didn't attack. He's scared. He's scared. He is scared. Well, first of all, Dark Ruler no more. He's not taking any damage. But that guy's negated. That guy's negated. No, yeah, I would have to pop him. I have to go like this. Fuck. How do I get Doom King out in here? That's the question. How do I get Doom King out? I do him. Just attack. How the fuck do I get Doom King? I don't think I can get Doom King on here. Oh, wait a minute. Send him. Get that. Pop. Just pop that. No, I need this to special summon to get Doom King, so we'll go with this. No. And will I be able to destroy this guy is the question. Is the question. Yeah, I would be able to destroy him. I'll go like this. No. No. Like that. I'll go like, oh, back away from him. I'll go like elixir. Like this. Unless he DD Crows or Skullmeister, Ghost Spell. Oh, that's negated, dude. You just wasted that. Or summon a zombie. And then we're gonna go like this. Doom King. There. Put him on attack. Activate this. I can reset that. Battle. Takes no damage because of Dark Ruler no more, but I can run over Dragoon. In phase 2. Go into Vampire Sucker. These two. Oh, he's not coming back. There's no field spell. God damn it. I thought there was a fucking field spell there. Fuck. And fizz. Yeah, in fizz. Oh, look at this. And Urgrade. And I can do the White Destiny actually. Or I can go with this. What happens if I do that on draw phase? Don't go to standby phase yet. Oh. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna go like this. This. Can I activate Banshee before standby phase? Oh yeah, I could. Haha, look at us. And then I will activate. Fuck. And defense to pop. I'll pop that. Zombie World. This is all undraw phase too. I draw from that. Doom King is coming back. Yeah, standby phase. But I already did that. Damn it. I should have just waited on standby phase and phase. Wyvern. Oh, fuck sakes. I'm gonna get back as Dragoon. Yeah, I'm gonna negate that effect. That's okay. Sheesh. Guys, 20. Let's do wings. What is this? Hold on. This 34. 34. 34. Damn it. What? Surrendered? That's it? Yes! Another zombie scoop right there. I don't even know where I was. Let's check here. I was at 1173, 1193. I went up by 20. Wow, yes. Comment, share, like if you subject like it. Oh, I went up by 1 too. See you guys.